What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to redeem codes in Genshin Impact on your mobile iOS or Android device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. While playing Genshin Impact, navigate to your in-game settings. In the account section, you should be able to see the redeem code option. Tap on it and then you can simply enter the code in order to redeem it on your account. For some users, this redeem code option is not available. If this option is not available to you, then you will have to redeem the codes using your favorite browser. Navigate to genshin.hoyoverse.com or simply click on a link in the description below. From here, select your current server location. Enter the correct character nickname and then enter the redemption code. To make sure that the correct account gets the items, you should in addition make sure that you're logged in with your Genshin Impact account. Proceed to enter the code and it will be added to your Genshin Impact account the next time you play the game. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.